So in 2014, I dropped my second album called The Masses. And it was a very interesting time in my life. I think I had just rediscovered my own heritage, and it became very important for me to kind of touch on social political matters. I felt like I had a voice that kind of went beyond just my normal songs about love and hate. But here was an opportunity to really speak to not only my community, but also to my younger self. And I wrote the song 7764 as a tribute to my background and my heritage and my culture. And it was very important that it was a song that highlighted the good and the bad, because that's what it is to me, and I think it's perfect in that way. I miss it. I miss it so much. I miss that easy interaction. I think everyone's home is always precious to them, but I think there's something about Athlone, and I miss everyone being in my business. And I think, it's just so cool to see some of the things that I grew up with, they're still there. There's still people selling fruit along the side of the road. The barbershop that I went to when I was younger, the creche that I went to when I was younger, that community little space there means so much to me, and walking down those streets. When we shot the music video in the heart of Athlone, really touching on, everything that is faith, food, family, community, I think it started to resonate on a completely different level. And like, we're all grown up now, but these memories are so precious, and it's a really beautiful thing.